Hey everybody, Brock Frady here, helping you enjoy your ride. We all know the feeling of going out to our car and our key fob battery does not work because the key fob is dead. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your key fob. And I would like to say a huge thank you to Keysource in Greensboro, North Carolina for the opportunity to film this video. I'll be sure to leave all of their contact information, including their website, in the description box below. This key fob was manufactured for Dodge for the Charger, the Challenger, the Dart, and the Durango, starting at about 2011 all the way up through 2020 on the Durango. So essentially, if you've got any one of those four models in those year models, this is probably what your key fob looks like, and this video will apply to you. You're going to flip your key fob over to see the Dodge part. You're going to take this little tab right here and push it in, or push it up in this case, and then that is going to release this metal piece right here. It looks like a brushed aluminum piece. So you're going to push that up. Now, once you push this up, you can take a flathead screwdriver and you can put it right in between the plastic and this piece right here. But I actually would recommend using your thumbnail to kind of wedge that in and then pull it right out. It comes right out. Then once you pull the shank out, you're going to see the hole that this came out of, but you're also going to see another slot, and that's for the head of this shank to go into that slot right there. So we're going to put that in here, and then we're going to gently turn it, and the whole thing popped right open. You see that? Now, depending on if this has ever been opened or not, or the environment that this key has been in, if it's like really dusty and dirty or whatever, it's going to depend on how brittle this plastic is. Be very careful in pulling it open. But once you do pull it open, you're going to see the battery right there. That's so simple, and I love it. What you're also going to do with the shank is going to take it and put it, and you can see right here, there's a little portion right there that is almost designed for that to go into, and you just kind of fit it under the battery, and the battery comes right out. You're going to take the battery and then flip it over, and it says CR2032. Right there is the number for this battery. So we're going to take our new battery, and remember, I pulled this out face down, and it's going to be easy to wedge the battery back in, and you don't put it straight down, you almost kind of have to wedge it back in, and then it fits flush. See that? And then we just take this portion and attach it right back on, and then we're going to take our metal shank and put that right back in there. It clicks, and now you have power to your key fob. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope this helps you enjoy your ride. Remember, hit that subscribe button, and also to take a look at Keysource Inc. in Greensboro, North Carolina. I'll be sure to leave all their contact information, including their website, in the description box below. And I want to thank them again for the opportunity to film this video, for providing this key fob. But remember, the most important thing of all, everybody, have a wonderful day.